Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Taken a lot of flack recently, even personally, and frankly, I don't really care what you foreigners have to say about my thoughts on what my adopted country should be. And frankly, when I'm trying to keep this, well, in my opinion, what I'm saying would keep this country stronger. Okay? Point I'm trying to make in this video. This notion that, oh, it's all okay, you know, foreigners have always been operating in the Thai legal system and everybody just kind of turns a blind eye. That's awful and wrong on so many levels. It completely undermines the very notion of rule of law if the very profession of law can be engaged in by people illegally. Does no one see how that is just inherently a feedback paradoxical loop of nonsensical bad policy? I mean, it's just self-evident to me that you shouldn't have foreigners in your legal profession if you're trying to maintain the rule of law. And then meanwhile, it's sort of discussed, another thing that just really bothers me about this is it's sort of, I'll leave it alone. Don't upset the apple cart, this, that, and the other thing. There are literal fake lawyers in this country. There's a dude years ago, Brian Wright, who used to pretend to be an American immigration attorney. He'd even go down to the embassy, and I know people that actually saw him get chewed out by embassy personnel kicking him out of the complex. But he actually got convicted of child sex offenses, okay, and was a total fake. These are the kind of people that this kind of bad policy draws in. And there are other frauds out there, and I'm hesitant to name names right now, because quite frankly, I just don't want the hassle, but I'm right there. You know, there are just genuine, total fake lawyers here. They purport to be lawyers, and I've got the evidence. They pretend to be lawyers, and they're fakes. But frankly, the foreigners who do have foreign qualifications and still flout Thai restrictions on foreigners acting in the legal profession in any way. And by the way, it's not just, oh, you can't go to court. Read the restricted occupations. I've read it on air on this channel. It's legal services. It's not going to court. That's not the definition. Meanwhile, secretarial services are also barred. So if you try to pull that nonsense, again, it's restricted. It should be restricted for a reason. This is pernicious. To have foreigners coming in and sort of throwing in their 2 cents on how Thai law should be interpreted and or practiced here in Thailand can have a tremendous negative impact and can totally undermine the basic notions of rule of law here in the Kingdom of Thailand.